All right, so we are logged in, but there is no way to log out, right? So how are we going to be logging out of our application here, right? So let's go and create a form here that will allow us to log out. All right, so right here on the login view, let's create a form. So what I want to do, instead of echoing this guy out, I just want to make sure I have another form here, and I'm going to use open form. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna open another form right here. This form is going to the same place, users, well, actually a different place, and it's gonna go to a logout method. Right, so the users, controllers, and then the logout method. Beautiful. Now let's close it. All right, close form, underscore form. Beautiful. Now it's closed. So the next step is to actually have this button that will do all this for us. So this button is going to have a couple of things in there. So let's create an array, a data array, and actually this needs to be on PHP tags. All right, there we go. All right, just like we did with the other buttons. All right, this one is going to have a class of what? BTN, and then BTN primary. And we are also going to have a name for it. The name would be submit. That's okay. And a value. The value would be logout. But that's what we want to do, right? Let's make sure this L is capital. All right, we don't need a comma at the end of this. And then after this, we could echo out the form submit button. Oops. Submit. And then we pass in the data array right here. Save. Let's check it out. Enter. Oops. Open form. We probably misspelled that. And let's check it out. It's form open is backwards. Form open. And I probably did the same thing here. I'm already making my own functions. Isn't that great? There we go. Form close. Enter. Beautiful. Now this logout is going to take us to this method that is supposed to log us out. All right. So I would also like to probably put here you are logged in as whatever user we have. All right. So that would be nice to have that type of. So we could do that here if we have that type of information. We could put it right here somewhere. All right. We could say. We could put a little if statement, and we could say if session user data is username, right? Then we can do this, right? So let's just do it like this. And if, and this is from the users controller, you can see that we are passing in the username. So we can say echo this username. All right. So we could say something before the echo. We could say like concatenate a string or something and say you are logged in as, and then the username. That would be nice. Let's make sure it's concatenated with the that notation there. All right. And we can wrap all this in a p tag. There we go. Let's look at it. enter. Look at that, beautiful, right? You are logged, well, we could put logged in as Rico. That would be the username of that user. So logged in. All right, beautiful. All right, this is looking really, really nice. Let's separate this a little bit so that way you can see exactly what's going on. All right, so in the next lecture, let's create a method in our users controller here, very close to this login method, right below, that will log us out. All right, perfect. Have fun. This is really cool stuff, right? See you in the next lecture. Keep it up, all right? Take care.